Well, we're in the Hub Cafe now, in the management school, and I think this is where the critique happens. I think that's the main thing the management school offers. During the experimentality conference that was finished last week, I would say the paper on cloud computing, cloud games, by Rob Coley and Dean Lockwood, the critique there was quite close to the kind of critique you get from critical management studies, for example about quality, or about network learning as not meeting dialogue conditions. And so I think that the question is really whether the technology vision from the Info Lab would get past this area of the walk. So there's some books to show. This is a book which is called The New Economics by Edward Deming. Why is it called Economics? That's one question to look at. This is a book about methodology, really, social science, and I think this is worth considering. Dewey came up in the experimentality conference, and I think some of the ideas in this continue from that and show a basis for a certain approach to action or practice. Unfortunately, Helga Nowotny was ill and couldn't be at the conference, but I think modes 1 and 2 knowledge is well worth looking at. Quality assurance is pretty much mode 2 as a subject. In other words, it's mostly practice, and it draws on a lot of other subjects. But I think that's a healthy way of looking at it. And the other book is by Peter Chetland and John Poulter, Learning for Action. As I understand it, and this is one of the problems of Mode 1 knowledge, management science is regarded as one thing and management learning is another thing. And connections between systems and learning are rare, but I think very useful.